Hi, my name is Adam Wheeler. I just finished my Cert 3 in Horticulture from Ironwood. I chose Ironwood because when I was in high school, I did a Cert 2 in Horticulture and I passed that, and I love being outdoors. Me and my friend Riley both came to this course together and we've both now passed. My experience here was very good. Teachers were fantastic, staff were amazing, and everyone helped me out, so I was able to pass it. I felt very supported. Everyone gave me every bit of advice I needed. They helped me out for everything, took my workbooks home, marked it, told me what I needed to fix up, and just helped me pass it to a very good level. I love driving the tractor. We got to drive that around. We done a little donut sort of thing and stuff like that, and we all just got to have fun, learn how to drive it, know what everything does, and it was just a good experience. This has helped me a lot getting closer to achieving my goals. I now know a lot more than what I came in from, and all the teachers here have helped me to learn every little bit I need. Keep applying and hopefully get a good job through the council and stuff like that. I would recommend Ironwood to everyone. They have helped me out to everyone. They know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing, and they're a very good unit. So yes, no, I think it's very good.